Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm filming on a totally new camera. It's a Canon EOS M50 and Frank is driving the Traxxas Mini E-Revo. Let me show you guys. There he is.
Oh, look, it's in your car.
That is not a piece of my car. Hey. Oh, that looked cool. Hope you guys enjoy this new camera quality. Oh, ow.
Tumble. Tumbleweena.
There's over there, flipped upside down. Totally new camera. I'm so happy about it. There's a review that I will link in the description below. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this quality. And I will link the Mini E-Revo and this camera in the description below. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay. There will be a mic coming to the channel soon for my whole vlogging kit. Yeah, nice. Nice job.
Peace out, man. Peace out.
The walk of shame, trying to flip the car. This is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens that I'm using right now. And it's just the onboard mic, so. Walk of shame! Ha ha ha! Ah!
Sorry.
Ow!
Ow.
Ow!
Ow.
My foot!
Sorry about that. That really got you, huh?
Yes.
Sorry about that.
My foot! My foot! Ow! Okay, back to the car.
Oh! Poor little truck.
Another walk of shame!
Oh.
Another walk of shame! How many walks of, comment down below how many walks of shame he has had this video. But still, my foot! My foot hurts! Wow! Walk of shame!
Coming a dirt garbage.
I have a garbage can protecting me now, so I'm gonna be hiding behind the garbage can so I don't get slammed again.
Oh!
Walk of shame. Number like 10. What do you mean? Multiple. I have not been counting how many walks of shame he has. Shames. But comment down below how many you think he has had. Okay, almost another one. Okay. You're just... Hey. And battery is dead. Ow! Battery's dead.
It sure is.
Okay, so now we're gonna switch his car from my car. He's gonna drive my car. Hopefully he doesn't destroy it, but
Me?
we'll see you. Yeah.
I'm an expert driver.
Did you see how many walks of shame you had today?
Well,
A ton.
Who's counting?
Me. And the people who are watching this video.
What video?
This video. See you in a second. Yeah, no, I'm not giving it to you.
No, we got it on the.
Hey.
Got it. We have it on video.
That was not on video.
That
I
was on
didn't start
video.
filming. I did not start filming. Hey, that is $320. If you destroy me, that you owe me $300. Oh my God.
Oh, you know what I realized?
What?
That sand is going to mess it up. I just opened mine up. All the sand is on all over the place.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Avoid
Yeah.
that sand.
Okay. It's destroyed me already. Hey.
Hello.
Hey. Don't hit the cameraman. And don't wreck my car. Oh yeah, and I'll link this car in the description below. So much fun. So worth it. $320. It's insane, but this camera's more. Yeah. If you're willing. What are you doing? Okay. Oh, wow. Remember, $320 here. I'm letting you borrow $320. I'm sorry that I'm messing around with the camera. Like, hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, he hit the tree over there.
Oh.
Walk of shame. And like, compared to his car has so much more, or my car has so much more grip than his. So I don't get, stop. And this car is almost, 2 times the price of his car. So, don't hit anything. You almost nailed it. Or you almost walk of shamed it. Ooh, what was that? If you kill my car, that's it. Okay. We're good. Hope you guys like the editing in this video and the camera work, because everything is totally new to me. I used to film on iMovie, or edit on iMovie. Now I'm editing on Vegas 16. Vegas Pro 16, I believe. Why are you just doing donuts?
Because
you don't
haven't
do
had a
that with
donut
your
since
car.
the virus came out.
My shoe got off. Hey, hey! Don't hit me or my shoe.
Flip
Walk of shame. Walk of shame. What do you mean? Hey, hey. You're gonna break my car.
Come on, much punishment if you make it that way. Oh, I'm back. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, this thing moving. Oh, big bumps and that.
I almost got smacked by you. He's just doing circles around us. Oh my!
Woo.
I'm over here jumping for my life.
Oh my God, I got
Like-
dizzy. Ooh. Ooh.
Walk of shame. Walk of shame.
That was almost walk the dog, huh?
No, that was not walking the dog. Why are you just doing donuts? Walk of shame. Again. My poor car. Car's getting destroyed. Hey, watch the mailbox and watch the tires. Nice. Yeah. Well, and watch the garbage can.
Whoa.
I just got that on camera. Just barely got that on camera. Watch the mailbox. Is that top speed? Is that top speed?
Almost. Oh. Ooh.
Don't break my car.
Uh-oh.
Don't.
Tired, let's see. Oh, I think so.
like the quality of this video. This is, yeah.
You could have good quality of that. 1080 at least. No?
Yeah, I think it could shoot 4K. I think it shoots 4K.
Yeah, but it goes up to 10p,
1080?
1080.
No, I think it goes up to like 1920p.
Well, that's 1080.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. What do you mean?
That's the size.
Yeah.
But it's 1080p.
It's not 1080p.
Or
I can tell you that.
what?
It is not 1080p.
Okay, I'm gonna Google that right now. I'm gonna let you know what
It's
your camera.
it can shoot 4K.
4K is the speed, not the quality.
Yes, that's the quality.
Okay. I'm gonna Google that right now. What is it? A Canon?
EOS M50. Okay. Let me just zoom out. Comment down below if you guys know how
iOS?
EOS.
EOS?
Yes, M50.
E
Comment down below what
one is it? EO what?
S M50.
No, that's EO.
Yeah, EOS M50.
M50?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Comment down below what quality this camera shoots at. It's 4K, I believe. But yeah. Back to the car, which is right there.
1080p.
I can promise you,
quality.
it does not shoot 1080p. I don't think it shoots 1080p. Focus, focus. There we go. It's not 1080p. Okay. Well, continue.
It's 1080.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna check that and come back. So, yeah. He was right. It is 1080p, but it can shoot 4K. And I'm gonna leave it at that, so. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoy the quality and hope you guys enjoy the camera work for this video. The car is dying and this camera battery is dying. Well, the SD card is dead, really. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoy the quality. Hope you guys enjoy the camera work by me. And you will see the review of the camera coming up soon. So, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you get notified for when I post stuff. What are you trying to do? Well, yeah. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Run down into a hole.
Yeah. I'll put a link to the camera, the cars, in the description below. And if you would like to go see everything from my whole vlogging setup, I will. That will be coming to the channel very soon. Me and Frank say goodbye. So, peace out.